From temple spires to elephant graves, each puzzle tells a sacred place. Bangkok's heart in every line, crafted bold with soul and sign. 64 tabs, a tale unfolds, and 22 by 22 the magic holds. And tucked inside a secret waits a box of wonder, handmade gay. Bangkok Crafty Crafters rise, changing how the world buys. Souvenir with soul and spark, not just gifts, they leave a mark. Culture carved in every piece, tradition wrapped in modern peace. We've turned the tide, we've set the tone. No more trinkets cast in stone. Each design a living lore, Thailand spirit at the core. From airport shells to hearts afar, we've made souvenirs a rising star.